His wife do?
वो कॉलेज में जॉब करती है।
वो भी कमाती हैं, ये भी कमाते हैं। Why should your आपके फादर क्या करते हैं?
रिटायर है सर।
उनकी इनकम क्या है?
वो उनको पेंशन भी आता है और खेती का भी है और कुछ रिटायर।
खेती बाड़ी वो खुद करते हैं, आप करते हैं?
नहीं, वो कुछ अधिया में दे रखा है सर।
वो खुद खेती बाड़ी करते हैं?
हाँ, वो अधिया में दे रखा है। वो उनको वो चाचा जी को, तो वही चाचा जी देखते हैं।
चाचा जी करते हैं ना, वो फादर क्या करते हैं आपके?
मतलब वो खेती का उन्हीं को मिलता है, मतलब उनको अधिया में दे रखा था, आधा आधा जो होता है सर।
आपका क्या हक है इस प्रॉपर्टी पे? बच्चे क्या करते हैं आपके?
सर पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं सर।
जब बड़े होंगे आपको भी ऐसे ट्रीट करेंगे वो, फिर याद आएगा आपको। जो आप शिक्षा अपने बच्चों को दे रहे हैं ना, वही आपको बाद में मिलेगी।
नहीं सर, हमने कुछ ऐसा फादर से कभी ना
फादर आपको,
बोली ना।
फादर किस लिए? आप उनके घर में रह रहे हैं, उन पे रोप जमा के रहेंगे?
नहीं सर, कभी रोक नहीं।
कितने पैसे दिए आज तक फादर को पिछले सालों में, जब से आप कमा रहे हैं? एक ढेला भी दिया उनको?
दिया है सर हमेशा।
क्या दिया? कितने दिए बताइए?
जो 2-4 हज़ार रुपये जो भी होता है महीने का करवा देते हैं।
2-4 हजार रुपए मिसेज आपकी जो पढ़ाती हैं, आप काम करते हैं?
सर मेरी वाइफ की भी सर 12,000 सैलरी है, मेरी भी।
आपकी कितनी इनकम है?
मैं 35 की सर।
ये नहीं था सर, पैसा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं था। एफआईआर करी हम, मेरे और मेरी वाइफ के खिलाफ, दोनों के खिलाफ।
इन्होंने करी है?
और हम एक्विटल हुए उसमें।
किस चीज की एफआईआर है?
सर मतलब धमकी देना, मारपीट करना, ऐसे एलिगेशन इन लोगों ने एफआईआर करी, गवाह है उसमें ये, और हमें फिर हम बरी हुए उस केस में।
मैंने कोई ऐसे एफआईआर नहीं करी थी।
बरी हुए,
ट्रायल हुई उसमें?
ट्रायल और इनको मालूम है गवाह थे।
मैंने सर कोई एफआईआर नहीं करी थी मैं, लेकिन
किसने करी थी
मेरी
एफआईआर?
वाइफ बड़ी
वो
गवाह है।
हमने सर उसको ना खत्म करने के बहुत प्रयास करा, फिर वो केस इतना ज्यादा उलझ गया कि वो कोई
केस उलझ गया, अब आप उसको सुलझाइए कहीं और जाके,
करना चाहते हैं।
यहाँ नहीं रहेंगे। आपने कब्जे का ये अंडरटेकिंग दिए खाली करने के लिए, खाली
सर
करें?
ऊपर से हमने पूरी अपने से बनवाए थे सर, पैसे लगवाए थे, सारे लगाए थे, नीचे भी
कब
दिए।
से रह रहे हैं इस घर में?
10 साल हो गए थे, 10-12 साल।
पैदा ही आप वहाँ पे, आपके वकील साहब तो कह रहे थे आप पैदा ही यहीं हुए?
पैदा सर वो सर पैदा तो सब दूसरे उसमें थे, बेटा
हाँ जी?
हुआ था, बेटा वहाँ पैदा हुआ था।
तो ये फादर ने कब बनाया था?
ये 2007 या 8 के करीब बनाए।
तो 7 और 8 से अभी तक कितना किराया दिया उनको?
बता दो जैसे जो
कितना किराया दिया आपने?
जो
65,000 रुपये आपको लगा ना ऊपर बनाने पे?
है
कितना बनाने में लगा आपका?
सर 12 लाख के करीब लग गए।
12 लाख। और जो 2007 से लेके आज तक का इसका किराया है वो कौन देगा? 12 लाख से ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा फादर को, और अगले सारी जिंदगी मेंटेनेंस देनी पड़ेगी उनको।
मेंटेनेंस देने के तैयार है सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
आप अपने लिए घर ढूंढिए, अगर मेंटेनेंस दे सकते हैं अपने लिए किराए पे कहीं और देख लीजिए, वहां शिफ्ट करिए। अंडरटेकिंग दी आपने खाली करने की, अंडरटेकिंग नहीं ऑनर करेंगे तो जेल जाएंगे।
फर्स्ट अंडरटेकिंग पहले एग्जीक्यूशन में दी थी, हम 1 हफ्ते में खाली करेंगे। अभी मैंने अपलोड किया था ईआरपी पे, इनने 2 तारीख को फिर अंडरटेकिंग दी कि मैं खाली कर रहा हूँ, और आज खाली हो गया है। तहसीलदार ने कब्जा दे दिया, चाबी दे दी, पर इनकी अंडरटेकिंग रखी है, मैंने ईआरपी पे अपलोड करी। इन्हीं ने लिख के दिए कि मैं अपने पिताजी को आश्वासन देता हूँ कि मैं 2 तारीख को खाली करूँ। फिर आज तहसीलदार ने चाबी सुबह खाली करके पंचनामा बना के दी।
कितने भाई बहन हैं आप?
3 भाई।
और बाकी दोनों कहाँ रहते हैं?
एक सर पोलैंड में है और एक यहीं भोपाल में है।
इस घर में कौन रहता है?
एक भाई रहता
भाई रहते
है,
हैं,
वो टेक केयर
बड़ा भाई।
बड़ा
और कितना बड़ा घर है?
सर नीचे 3 कमरे हैं, ऊपर 2 कमरे हैं।
ऊपर 2 कमरे हैं। ऊपर वाला आपके पास है? Had a share in the property.
And it is shop.
Father was the owner. He died. Then he had 1/6 share, and there was suit pending. Inherited by him.
Initial the application has been filed, Lordship, and I have inducted in the property. Maybe I have inducted in the property as whatever be, but I have the license in that
Construction,
property.
you have no license is terminated. License is at the will of the licensor. It stands terminated by his filing a case against you.
He may file the proceeding by
By filing a
he
case
may
that
adopted that
evict
remedy.
them. By filing a case, evict them. Your license is terminated.
No,
You gave an
in this
undertaking.
case, Lordship, at the as per section 23, there is no document for regarding transfer of anything, and in an application which has been filed, Annexure P2, a specific prayer for only has been made for maintenance, Lordship. Annexure P2, if at the civil court see the fact in the prayer clause, only the prayer for
What is section 23?
23 laid down,
What
Lordship.
is section 23 that you are relying so heavily on?
Section 23 of the Act, Lordship.
Please read 23
Lordship.
and tell us how it applies to your case.
No, Lordship.
Property violence.
Para number 23, section 23, Lordship. transfer of property to be void in certain circumstances
where is the transfer?
there is no transfer.
Eh?
So when there is no transfer,
Please read 23.
Lordship, where any senior citizen who after the commencement of this act has transferred by way of gift or otherwise his property subject to the condition that transferee
So
shall
this
provide.
doesn't apply.
Lordship,
Doesn't apply.
so
This doesn't apply.
Lordship, it applied to in my case because there is no transfer, therefore the eviction cannot be take place.
How is it? How does it apply to you?
Lordship, this the section 23 specify the fact when there is any document regarding transfer and transferee undertaking the fact that I have to maintain the certain following condition to in the lifetime of that senior citizen, Lordship.
there
And
is no
if I have violated the same, then the proceeding may be initiated against me.
No transfer.
There is no transfer. That's why I am saying that SDM has no power to evict me, Lordship.
Whether any relief was sought to declare any document in
No. Annexure P2 में kindly visit. No, it is
whether any application was filed under 23.
no application has been. Therefore, the SDM has empowered under provision of section 4, 5.
What happened? Our own High Court decide to issue that under 23 no eviction can be passed under the act. The matter traveled, Urmila Dixit traveled up to Supreme Court. Supreme Court interpreted this provision 23 that under 23 eviction can also be passed. So what they are interpreting under transfer is not been taken. That's why. So our own High Court divisional bench has been overturned.
Under which provision can an eviction order be passed?
Malot, that's the interpretation of Supreme Court in our own High Court's order. Malot 23. Court says the Malot para 25. I have uploaded the judgment Urmila Dixit. The divisional bench of this honorable court says Malot no eviction can be passed under section 23. Matter travel up to Supreme Court. Supreme Court interpreted that provision only of 20.
That is 2021. Yes, Monica.
That is in respect of when there is a two conflicting provision. One is Domestic Violence Act, where woman has filed claiming domestic act residence, right to residence. Then there is a conflicting decision. Then S. Vanita deals with that. But Urmila considered that S. Vanita and said that eviction can be passed.
I may amended a petition for restoration of possession, Lordship. Grant a week, 1 week time, Lordship.
Twice undertaking given.
Undertaking and given by the wife under pressure, Lordship, given by the wife.
When
And
did you?
Yes, in Navy.
So maybe undertaking is against the law, Lordship. That has not been that binding as the petition is pending before the Honorable
How
Court.
is it against the law?
It is against the Lordship.
What?
The
What is
eviction
this?
order cannot be passed as per the Supreme Court judgment, as per the law. This says, Lordship, until and unless there is a document executed
Mr.
between the
Shafiqullah,
parties.
Let's assume 23 doesn't apply. What is his right to the property?
Maybe right to the property, but
Tell
the
us
other
what is
remedy
his
is there,
right.
Lordship.
Tell us what is his right to the property.
He is a son, he is residing in the.
Son? Father does not want him to reside. Son can only reside so long as
Lordship,
father
in the
wants him
Samtola
to.
judgment, para number 29, the son has been, that point has been considered, Lordship.
Which judgment?
ये Samtola versus state of UP which I have
He
tendered,
had
Lordship.
1/6 share in the property.
Lordship, during the pendency of
He
the,
was co-owner of the property.
thereafter, as the father has been dead, thereafter the court has considered the fact, Lordship. Maybe, but there is, in this case also no document is available. Para number 29 may be kindly see, Lordship. The Supreme Court has considered as a licensee, I am residing there.
That doesn't
So-
apply.
Lordship,
That doesn't apply.
and application may be kindly see, Lordship. Page number 24, a specific prayer has been made only for the maintenance, Lordship, not for the eviction. पेज नंबर 24 में काइंडली विजिल इन द प्रेयर क्लॉज इनसे भरण पोषण लगभग 15,000 रुपए प्रतिमाह दिलाने हेतु आदेश पारित करने की कृपा करें न्यायित होगा एंड दैट एप्लीकेशन हैज आल्सो बीन नॉट बीन फाइल अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ एज पर द रूल लेट डाउन इन द अंडर द एक्ट लॉर्डशिप काइंडली रूल 4 which prescribe the pro forma for filing of the application before the tribunal where the verification is also been required in this whole application nowhere the property description has also been not been mentioned. So which property the eviction has been sought. In the prayer clause, only the prayer has been made for the granting maintenance.
May I submit, Malad? The latest judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, it's of 2025, Malad, and that is Kamal Khan Mishra, Malad, where the Honorable Supreme Court has observed that, para 7, if my lord may permit me, I would like to read it, Malad.
In 23, if the property is transferred in the name of the son with certain conditions,
Lordship.
son does not comply with the conditions,
Lordship.
father can evict the son
Lordship.
and get the property back.
Yes,
So why can't an eviction order be passed
yes.
when father still owns the property?
Maybe.
If the son is not maintaining him, son is not taking care of him, Why should we not liberally construe
for that-
23 to hold that in a case where son is disputing with the father
Lordship,
and
for-
property is owned by the father should be entitled to throw him out?
For that, other remedies available under section
should-
106 of the
in-
Transfer
you
of Property
see,
Act,
please-
they may terminate my license.
Mr.
and there are-
Shafiqullah, Mr.
Lordship,
Shafiqullah,
Lordship,
you see 23 is a situation where property is in the name of the son. Even then father can evict him by showing that I had transferred this property to him to maintain me.
Lordship.
Here is a case where father still owns the property and son is occupying the property. Why can't father throw him out?
In that, there is no provision to evict the property, Lordship.
Why should we not read 23 in that fashion?
Lordship.
There are 25 of
So
the
my
first class case. There are 25 of the first class cases held. The substance of subsection 2 of section 23 as submitted by the second and third respondent is that the tribunal had the jurisdiction to pass an order directing the eviction of the appellant who is their daughter-in-law. According to this provision, the power to order eviction is implicit in the provision guaranteeing a right to receive maintenance out of an estate and the enforcement of that right. In supporting the submission, they have referred the view which has been taken by the several high courts indicating that the tribunal may order the eviction of a child or a relative from the property of a senior citizen where there has been a breach of the obligation to maintain the senior citizen. The tribunal under Senior Citizen Act 2007 may have the authority to order an eviction if it is necessary or expedient to ensure the maintenance and protection of the senior citizen or the parent. Eviction, in other words, would be an incident of the enforcement of the right to maintenance and protection, and that has been upheld by this. So that right is there.
Lordship,
So
my,
you bring the law on this. Bring the law on this.
other judgment are not available. In spite
This
of that, I have
judgment is not-
circulated.
doesn't help you.
Lordship,
In this case, son was 1/6 owner. That is not the case over here. That judgment doesn't help you. Do you have any other judgment? Show us.
it may be kept in the next week. I will prepare the case of further.
Request for judgment is made on behalf
Status
of
quo
the
may be
appellant.
order, Lordship. Status quo may be order. I have, my children is residing
Status
there.
quo, they have
Lordship.
the possession. They'll continue to have possession.
My other
Status quo
condition is
means
also.
whatever is possession now, he already has possession. The possession now is he has possession. You are out, he is in.
That's why status quo order has not been affected to anyone, Lordship. If the status quo order has been passed,
We are
that
not
has not
saying
to be affected to anyone.
Learned counsel appearing for respondent number 1 submits that possession has already been obtained by the Tehsildar by physically evicting the appellant and his family, and possession has been handed over today morning to the respondent number 1. The statement is taken on record. At request of counsel for the appellant, re-notify on 4th February.
Marriage.